Alright guys, we're doing an iPhone 6 Plus screen replacement. One of our iPhone techs, Adam, working on it, which usually he does in about 7.5 minutes flat, of course. Give or take. One thing to note is we actually do screen replacements. If you bring a cracked screen into Apple, usually they'll turn you away or just say you need a new screen, actually a new phone I should say. So there's a lot of upcharging going there. Here we actually fix the problem, which is good. At New York Computer Help, we are open from 9 to 7 a week, 10 to 5 on weekends. We're at 53 East 34th Street. And yeah, we accept all iPhone repairs and happy to do it right in the spot for you. They'll come with a 6-month warranty. So this customer wanted to go with a black screen, although he had a white screen before. We call this our Oreo color look. So we always do a quick test on it before we fully secure and screw down everything to make sure everything's working okay. So part of the process is also taking the frame and the small parts off of the original screen. Make sure we relocate that over to the new screen. Passcode works. So far so good. In terms of our parts, we buy the same parts as in the Apple factories as Apple buys, but same time you always have to guard against any defects, so we always test them regularly and strenuously. And you know, we always have that 6-month warranty in case if there's any defects or issues that do arise. I didn't realize you were a lefty, Adam.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Just occurred to me.
Yeah.
It's always important that when you're doing these repairs to basically put yourself in a rubberized area, anti-electromagnetic shield, so to speak. So we have a rubberized blue mat. We actually have on the ground a full rubberized interior mat as well. And the last thing you want is static electricity creeping up on some of these components because it's so easy to short them. shield and the frame on the new phone screen. And now we're just really securing everything on the new screen to make sure that it fits on the frame of the phone. It's always important, everybody talks about how fast you could get an iPhone screen replaced, and although we're super fast, it's always good to take your time with the connectors and making sure everything is secure the way it should be, and
especially this part at the top.
Mm-hmm. It's not secure if it doesn't lay right, and if it's pushed around within the phone itself or mangled. That's when bad stuff happens. So you really have to know what you're doing. Video connector to the board. And basically a couple of screws and you are done. So yeah, if you do have a shattered screen or any other issue with your iPhone, feel free to come to New York Computer Help, 53 East 34th Street. 3rd floor, again, from 9 to 7 in the week and then 10 to 5 on weekends. Alright, thank you for watching.